I'm super keen to show you today my latest find. I'm a little late to the party, but I've just invested in a super duper air fryer. So as a family we thought, what shall we test out first? So we thought a good old family favorite, a roast chicken, and it came out so succulent and perfect. I can't wait to share the recipe with you. So we've chosen a bird. Don't go too big with the bird, with the chicken, because it's not going to fit in. I'm going to spice this chicken with the same rotisserie flavors that you might find in Woolworths. And the key ingredient is Spanish smoked paprika, which is nice and smoky, and then I love white pepper on this. And then fennel seed goes perfectly with like a roast pork or this roast chicken as well. And then also something that I discovered and I forgot about is onion powder. I put it on chips in the air fryer, and then smoked chili flakes. You can use plain chili flakes as well. If you don't like chili, that's also fine. Put a little bit of olive oil and just rub it over. Okay, before we get to the Clement Golds, I'm just going to wash my hands. It's Clement Gold time and Lemon Gold time, which are fantastic, easy peel, the best, juiciest citrus that you'll find on the shelves. So delicious. And then, if I can, just for flavor, either an onion or shallots when you can find them in season. And then just last but not least, for flavor, a little bit of butter. Let's put that in there. And then ready for the air fryer. Oh yeah, because yeah. And the chicken is ready. Oh, look at that beaut. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to rest it while we do the onions. I'm going to show you how to do some really easy kind of steakhouse style onions in the air fryer, which is going to take like about 12 minutes. I've got some sliced onions, which I've just tossed lightly with a bit of olive oil and onion salt, which I used a little bit on the chicken as well. I know, did you notice? That's the ding dong bell. Let's have a look. Oh, they smell absolutely divine, and look at these onions. And then I'm just quickly going to show you how to make cauliflower. And again, on our baking tray. And again, this is going to take 180 degrees, probably for 15 minutes. I like a crunchy cauliflower, but if you want it softer, then just press another 2 minutes on the air fryer. Cool, olive oil. And you could add some harissa to this, some chili paste, chili crisp, whatever you fancy. You can do it plain, you can do some lemon juice, but I think I'm going to go for the smoked paprika again. Nice salt, give it a shake, and then pop it in the air fryer. Look how beautiful caramelized that is. Listen to that sizzle, sizzle. Look at all those yummy smoked paprika kind of juices, and a little bit from the oil. Delish. And then to that, I left a little piece behind. Doink. Some parsley, you could add coriander if you want, but a nice fresh herb, nothing too hardy like rosemary or sage or even thyme. What I love at the moment is celery leaves. Maybe a little smidgen of olive oil, just to dampen it. And then of course, a good squeeze of lemon gold. I love lemon, and especially with cauliflower, and just kind of bring all the acidity together from the rich chicken and those sweet onions. Just a simple way of just kind of jazzing up your cauliflower. So now all our dishes are cooked and we're ready to serve, and then we're ready to eat. So as I promised you, the most succulent, beautiful, perfect roast chicken. It's got all those lemon gold and Clement Gold flavors. Citrus and chicken is just a perfect match. Tastes a little bit like a rotisserie from the spice, and now all it needs is that lovely cauliflower and then our crispy onions. It's absolutely divine, it's succulent, it's so perfect. In fact, I think it's better than my very famous roast chicken in the oven. And it really is about that air fryer, about that hot air circulating the food and making it kind of crispy, succulent, and so easy. And just you could actually, whose phone was that?
Whose phone is that?
Not mine.